All right, guys. So I wanted to end this off by showing it to you on my wall. I have it up there with the provided double-sided. What it is it's actually Velcro, so you can take it off and put it on as you want. So I've got that on my wall there with a cool design. And now we've got the app. The app is so easy to use. You can, oops, you can turn it off, turn it on. You can change the color. You can see how it's changing the color as I move it around. You can change the brightness. You can dim it way down, dim it part way. You can dim it all the way up. I think what's cool about this is you can operate it. You can preset colors in here. So it's set to like different colors that you might want to have. And I think what I really like about this is you can like just easily use it with your phone, like at any time of the day or night. So like you can always get the vibe in your room right no matter what. Dude, I highly recommend this.